Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you about a frozen set. So a frozen set is basically like a set if you watch my videos before, and the set is basically like a group of names that you assign. So you could call the set like maybe set A equals like 1, 2, and 3 for example. And then you could print set A and then you'll print 1, 2, and 3. But frozenset is like the same thing, but the difference is you can't change it. It's an immutable thing. So let me show you an example. So I will type fs equals frozen set, and then I'll get this bracket and the curly bracket, and then let's type 0, 1, or let's do it like this, 2, 0, 1. And then we put the curly brackets and then the normal bracket. Now we'll type print, and now we will do a parentheses and do type, and then we will do fs, and then we will do another fs. Okay, so as you see, it just froze our set. Now we can't change the set anymore. So let's do fs1 equals frozen set. And then what we'll want to do next is enter this thing again, and then enter that thing again. So then we will maybe enter 5, 0, 3, 1, 2. And we might want to fix this. Let's just do 4 to make it balanced. Okay, so now we will get the brackets, and then with the double brackets, and then the brackets. So then after that, what I want you to do is enter the space and then type print, and then we'll put the curly bracket, and then we will do, oopsies, we'll do not do this instead we'll do that and do type, and then we will, after type, we will put parentheses fs1, and then fs1. Now it will lock this set. Now let's do a test. Print fs1. Oops, sorry, I spelled it wrong. So as you see, it'll just type frozenset 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because it'll just tell us that this is a frozen set. Okay, so after that, we will maybe do s equals, and then we'll do the same thing, but we'll just do this. Let's type 7, 1, 4, 3. And we'll put it in there. fs2 equals, and you guessed it, frozen set, and then we will do s in the brackets. Now we'll put enter and type print, type, and then we will do fs2, and then comma, and then brackets. No brackets actually. fs2, and run it. It will say class frozenset 1, 3, 4, and 7. Oops, sorry. So, what I want you to do after this is do the print, and then we will do the fs dot union. This will combine them, and then we will do fs1, and then frozenset 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see, it typed it out. So now we will do print fs intersection, and then we will type fs2, and it'll type frozenset, and then it will type the bracket, the curly brackets, and then type 1, as that's what we did. So then after that we will do a print fs difference, and then after that we will do s, and then we will do frozenset 0, 2. Okay. So I guess that's pretty much it for today's lesson. So there's more to frozen sets, but that's all I'll do for today because our lesson is getting a bit too long. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about frozen sets. And a quick recap. A frozen set is like a set. A set is basically like a group of like names or variables that you can assign. But the difference is from a frozen set is, as you guessed it, frozen. So technically that means you can't change it. You can't differ the items in it. So yeah, that's pretty much it today. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos about coding, math, and more. And until next time, have a great time.